the very simple question. So far, so good. Similarly, Fubara's reaction so far, has it been the right reactions? Those questions linger on your hearts. And then another issue will be raised. Wike served 8 years. Before then, he was chairman Obiakwa local government area. He has been minister twice. He is still a current minister enjoying under the current administration. Howbeit, he is still in the PDP, the opposition party. The question then will be, what else would Wike possibly be looking for that he wants to continue to be in control and the governor continues to be in subservience under Wike's instructions and orders? Mr. Jide Ojo, if you can hear me now, I want you to speak to the whole developments in Rivers State.
The development in Rivers State is very tragic. And I am disturbed. It has brought to the fore once again the tragedy of godfathers and godsons. And what has happened is taken to what has happened between civic community and Wike himself. Remember that they used to have the relationship. Speaking for formerly civic community, and eventually become sworn enemies since then. You also remember sometimes when you unpick your successor, it does not mean that that successor fight back if you want to impose your will. Shagun, did you know that Dr. Umar Ganduje was former deputy governor to Musa Kwakwanso when he was governor of Kano State?
Yes, I remember.
And Ganduje was the only deputy governor then that the principal supported to succeed him.
To succeed him, yes, that's correct.
But today, Ganduje and Kwakwanso are in different political camps and they don't want to see eye to eye. Also remember that this similar
Fubara
was for 8 years the
Accountant General of
Rivers
State.
Very
correct.
Under Iyesan Wike. Just the same way that Akinwumi Ambode was Accountant General in Lagos State before he was unpicked
to become the governor.
Tussle, after the tenure. Now, only God knows exactly what went wrong that Wike will be paying for the blood of Semi Fubara. Barely 5 months after inauguration. The reason why I'm shocked is that, like you rightly pointed out, it's not like Iyesan Wike is idle. He, just like Civic Committee, he has made a success of politics. From being a chairman of the local government, one of the, I think it was 2 or 3 times chairman of the local government.
Yeah, I think twice. Yes, you're correct.
Became chief of staff to the governor.
Yeah.
Became a minister of state for education.
For education, yes.
Became two-time governor of
Rivers State.
Rivers State. And now, one of the most powerful ministers under Tinubu, that's the Minister of FCT.
True.
So, what exactly was Sydney's offense? I believe it's more with the elite of Rivers than even with Wike. But adventure, there are some contracts that Sydney Fubara has nullified or revoked.
Okay, but these are still mere speculations anyway, not substantiated yet.